This is Ryland's toy review.
Ryland's toy review. Get ready and get my roach blaster to get started.
Dang, that's a big Nerf blaster. Whoa! You tried to shoot me?
No!
Oh. You dangerous with the gun.